Welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You'll be seeing 3 varieties of freehand painting. If you're interested in painting can join my online professional courses. I teach oils, acrylic, tangier, 3D murals, 3D flowers, origata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, vases and many more. Freehand painting course book with notes and techniques. Those interested can buy. Take orders and my artworks are for sale. Porcelain painting dinner sets for sale. My contact details are in this video and below this video in description. This painting is the freehand painting design for tops and dresses. Paint this design for saree borders too. This is wet on wet technique. Apply medium on the cloth and then the colors orange and yellow. I have used 8 number round brush and then the 6 number round brush. I have used the mauve color. Design you can paint on canvas and frame it as a home decor. Using 4 number flat brush for the lines. I'll use burnt umber color for the lines. My second painting, I have taken colors on the tile. You can take acrylic or fabric. Then with the blade you can take the color and start painting on thick sheet or canvas. After painting is complete, you can frame the painting and make a home decor. Easy painting, you can first draw the design on the canvas or sheet and then with blade you can do this painting. Children, kindly don't try this art. The creative design. chalk brush and the wipeout tool for this painting. Buy the porcelain brushes and tools online. Painting on the mug is complete, you have to heat the mug at 850 degrees in a special kiln. Then the colors become permanent. Now see, this mug is heated 1 and these colors are permanent. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos. See you. Keep watching. Bye bye. Thank you.